our Student Affairs Officer, Dr. Gaudencio Alantay Jr., our School President, Dr. Jacqueline Amelia Dashego,
Bigla mamaya daw. Pag andun.
Sikutan College, College of Pharmacy, awards the Certificate of Appreciation to Sir Mark Anthony and Casilia, a registered pharmacist for his invaluable contribution as guest of honor and speaker during the celebration of National Pharmacy Week with the theme Pharmacy, the pillar to a strong, resilient, and quality healthcare system, held at Sikutan College, Tingsan City of San Fernando on the 5th day of December 2024.
Kuya Ralph, alis ka dyan! 1, 2, 3! Yan, perfect!
Our very dynamic and supportive school president, Dr. Jacqueline Amelia Dashego. Our indefatigable Student Affairs Officer and Marketing Director, Dr. Gaudencio Alantay Jr. The Dean of the College of Pharmacy, the ever active Ma'am Maria Fatima Baisita. The officers of the who I believe are behind the success of all your programs and activities. Of course, not to forget our resource speaker, Sir Mark Casilia, who will be formally introduced. My dear pharmacy students, a pleasant morning to each and everyone. I actually have an ongoing research proposal defense of the criminology students. But as I have said, I will not miss activities of this particular college, considering the very active participation that you have shown, especially for this year. Diba? Okay, can you give yourselves a big round of applause? Your college has stood in the limelight, especially for programs and activities in line with your program. Their celebration of National Pharmacy Week has a very important message to give with its theme, Pharmacy, the heart of a strong, high quality, and resilient.
For that inspiring message, Dr. Norma was right. Indeed, this celebration boosts our morale and preparation for us to be professional in the future. Next visionary who will also share her inspirational message, let us listen to our ever dynamic and ever supporting school president, Dr. Jacqueline Amelia Dashego.
Rise and shine, everyone. It's nice to see you back here. Same place, yet of course, different activities. To our dynamic academic affairs officer, Dr. Norma Ruta, and most especially our guest speaker, Sir Mark Casilia. Thank you for your time. And our very energetic academic student affairs officer, Dr. Doc Yan Yanday. To our academic dean, Ma'am Mati Mabalsita, and our faculty, pharmacy faculty, Ma'am Corlota. Again, good morning. You know, it feels like only yesterday that I was here, standing in front of you, as I said, another activity. And I'm delighted to see the pharmacy department in this institution remains vibrant and active, especially of course in involving into different extracurricular activities. As it is said a while back by Dr. Rulab, napaka-active ninyo when it comes sa mga event, school activities. And I'm so proud of this department. Basta, hindi lang nag-memorize. Kasi pag nag-memorize kayo, mawawala yan. But once you analyze it, once you know what is in that kind of learning, kahit saan ka, that is what we call stock knowledge. But for the lives you will touch, of course, it's not just for the example grades, of course, but for the lives you will touch and the communities you will serve in the future. Celebrate your journey and the result you are destined to make. Sa inyo, may first year ba dito? Second year?
Yes po,
You know the future pharmacy is bright and you are a crucial part of this future. Embrace this responsibility with confidence and enthusiasm. Let's make this National Pharmacy Week memorable and inspiring, both for yourselves and for those you will serve someday. Again, wishing you all a fruitful and enriching celebration of the National Pharmacy Week. Have a wonderful day to each and every one of you. Thank you.
We now have the privilege of introducing our guest of honor and speaker for today. To introduce our guest of honor and speaker, may I call on our dazzling and dedicated Student Affairs Officer, Dr. Gaudencio Yari Antaya.
Passionate and results-driven registered community pharmacist, certified immunizing pharmacist, an accredited test of pharmacy services trainer, assessor, an educator, leader, lifelong learner, and respected and recognized community pharmacist of his generation who specializes in developing a competent pharmacy workforce. Our guest speaker had finished his degree at St. Louis University in Baguio City. After finishing college and passing the licensure examination for pharmacists, he took postgraduate degree units in MS Pharmacy with the same university and also took a Bachelor of Secondary Education with a major in biology. He is continuously serving the community as an ROMPD pharmacist while helping the country standardize community pharmacy practice through PSNC3. He continuously empowers the community pharmacy workers by being an instrument to obtain the quality healthcare that our country deserves. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all rise and shine as we welcome our guest of honor and speaker, Mr. Mark Anthony M. Casilla. A round of applause, please.
I extend my sincerest gratitude to CICOSAT Department of Pharmacy. Again, to your Student Affairs Officer, Dr. Gaudencio Antaya. Thank you po. Academic Affairs Officer, Dr. Norma Maria Rulab. And with your beautiful School President, Ma'am Jacqueline Magallanes Gachego. And Faculty of Pharmacy, with Ma'am Carlota Aguilar, and of course with my very good friend. Ayan. Way back times, parang sabi ko kanina, ang tanda na natin, Ma'am, no? Dean of Pharmacy Department, Ma'am Maria Fatima Balsita. Thank you for your invitation for today's event. And of course, my dear students, colleagues and guests, ladies and gentlemen, a happy and blessed good morning to all of you. It is my great honor and pleasure to celebrate with you this momentous occasion, your National Pharmacy